conversation with our career guru, Mr. Mirin Khadke. Hello, sir. How are you doing today?
Yeah, fantastic.
What exactly made you step out and become a career guru?
Actually, that is a passion. The teachers and the educators, they have a passion, maybe by profession, by choice, and all that, to reach to the maximum students to get and give everything what is available from one part to the other part of the corner of the world. Because the knowledge is such, if it is shared in multiple times, it enhances and gives the benefit to the maximum. That is what I felt.
In today's world of education, what do you think your impact will be as a career guru to have an impact on students' careers?
Because this world is changing, and with the changing world, the kind of a futuristic approach in the education system is also changing dynamically. You can see a very wonderful approach coming up in the few years when educators have become techno savvy, and with the use of technology we are having a multiples options coming up in the future. Because right now in the school's time, when you will have a child in coming into class 1 or class 10, after when they will go in the world to seek their own self and realize themselves, the world and the situation would have changed over the next 10 to 20 years. So it's very important to give them a right kind of advice, the right kind of test of the world, okay, how and in which way the realistic approach of education is going to help them in the future. That's very important.
You have been working with a lot of students. So, what do you think are their real needs so that they can help you work with them?
Actually, see here, if you see about the Indian culture in the our context of our country, we have parents' impact to the students' education to a large extent to at many different places of the country like India and different states. And many times the students just go to the school just because the parents are standing. They have to understand what is their intention, what is their goal, and in which manner they will impart and understand the meaning of the education and application of their knowledge. And that is how I feel ki the student in the right manner, when it is when he is guided, and he goes with the right kind of aim in the life of his own ultimate goal. So in that direction, when the child goes in the right path, he will achieve a success. Whether now it doesn't matter whether you are becoming a doctor, engineer, or other professions, but a right choice as per the quality and as per the liking of the student, or the in her ability to do a great job is very important, and that will give you a lot of success.
As you know, Dhea has been doing a lot of activities about career and career mentoring. So, apart from students' careers, how do you think Dhea's career mentoring activities will help in their academic achievements as well?
That's very important. See, many a times for a teacher or educator, going to a different perspective of the career is maybe difficult in the regular course of activities or time in teaching and learning process of a child in the schools or the other education systems. So these institutions like they are, who are making the doors open to a large areas of the world, where the realistic approach and knowing the hidden kind of opportunities and the kind of new upcomings of the professional, and the kind of various ways and means to achieve the goals is very important, and that is what DI is doing in the right manner. So it's very important that these institutions go on educating the teachers and the teaching community, which the ultimate aim of they could be successful when you will have educating the teachers, educators, to go to the understanding and realizing the child's ability. And that's very important. As I said, if you educate a girl, you are going to educate a family. But if you are educating a teacher in the right manner to make more informative and exposed to various kinds of new openings of the world, you are going to educate a society and the further to the country as well.
What advice or suggestion would you like to give to today's parents to help build their child's career?
The most important thing, the freedom. The child need to realize their own hidden qualities, and that is how it the teachers and the career gurus and all that, they are doing their best to know and let the child know their own qualities. So when the parent are not imposing their kind of wishes on students, then the child will be able to freely understand the exposures and the aim of life. And that is how the parents, if they understand ki my child, let him realize what he can do. So if he is a good in being a teacher or educator or engineer, let him realize. If we are forcing the child to become a doctor, but his ability to become an engineer or education is much hidden and much better, we are somewhere making injustice with him. So let the child understand, let the child realize, let the experts give the reviews, let the teachers work on it, and the acceptance to the new and good qualities of the child to a large extent is very important. And when parent goes in that direction, they are going to help the child to achieve his own life goals.
I sincerely thank you for taking out time for us and sharing your experience today. And I thank you
Uh,
all for watching this episode. I'm sure you must have found it insightful, inspirational, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.